In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a perfect circle in Adobe After Effects. We'll be walking through a series of simple but important steps, ensuring you get that flawless shape you need for your project. First, open up After Effects and direct your attention to the toolbar. You're looking for the ellipse tool. Now, sometimes this might be a bit elusive, as it can appear as the rectangle tool. To access the ellipse tool, simply click and hold on the rectangle tool icon until the other shape options appear. Then select the ellipse tool. Before drawing, let's make sure you have no layers selected. You can quickly deselect everything by pressing the F2 key on your keyboard. This is crucial because if you try to draw with a layer selected, you'll only create a mask instead of a new shape layer. Once everything is deselected, start dragging out an ellipse on your canvas. Remember, if you want to create a perfect circle, there's a little trick here. Hold down the Shift key while you drag. This will constrain the ellipse's proportions, ensuring both the width and height remain equal, resulting in a circle. Now, let's talk about customizing the appearance of your circle. Whether you want a solid circle or just an outline, making those adjustments is straightforward. For a filled circle, go ahead and choose your fill color and set the stroke to none if you prefer not to have an outline. Conversely, if you're aiming for an outline or hollow circle, set the fill to none. Then, enable and adjust the stroke thickness to your liking, and select a color for the stroke to give it the desired look. Next up, centering your circle for that balanced, professional appearance. After you've drawn your shape, navigate to the Layers settings by expanding Contents, then Ellipse 1, followed by Transform, Ellipse 1. Here, you'll see the Position property. If your composition's anchor point is centrally located, set the position values to 0, 0. This will place the circle right in the middle of your composition. Alternatively, if you want a more manual approach, you can also adjust the circle by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac, along with the Shift key while dragging from the center. This method allows you to draw the circle from the center outward, giving you more control over its initial placement and ensuring it remains perfectly aligned with whatever center point you choose. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly add circles to your After Effects projects, boosting your ability to craft engaging graphics with precision and style. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your editing skills.